Sir. So basic difference is it was the pre-internet era. In that case, your human interaction was there in the form of inland letter. I don't know you remember about that. That used to be purchased from the this one post office, but I'm not sure that today in trend or not. It is available from the post office or not. Earlier era, it was the introduction of this internet in the 1990. It was the web 1.0. Single way static web pages was there, only informative information will be there. In case of web 2.0, in case of after that web 2.0 comes into the existence, some sort of information or intelligence fitted inside that. Intelligence means interaction was fitted. Interaction was fitted. Because whenever we people held up in one thing, whenever we held up in one thing, we definitely try to solve our problem as we want to make our life better and better. So in case of this in case of this web 1.0, we held up, okay, only information was there. Suppose we want to interact with the system, so we held up. So that's why some database model comes into the existence. So that was the birth of 2.0. In later on stages of 2.0, your social media or output comes into the existence. And in case of Orkut was the first, basically we can say, birth or baby of the social media. After that, in year 2004, your Skype, Facebook, YouTube completely taken the shape and completely captured the picture of this social media, and that was the birth of Web 2.5. And at present, we are in the Web 2.5 stage. We are in the Web 2.5 stage, but technology always demand what next. अब क्या आएगा सर Web 2.5 के बाद में? Web 3.0. In case of Web 3.0, what you will find?
Blockchain.
Internet of
हाँ
Things and blockchain.
हाँ सर ब्लॉकचेन ब्लॉक
Sir, in Web 3.0, we will have 4 Ws: wireless,
नहीं
World
नहीं
Wide
नहीं नहीं
Web.
नहीं 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 कंफ्यूज हो रहा है. In case of Web 3.0, in case of Web 3.0, what we will find only and only first thing is there. First of all, we are at present 2.5, where we held up at present. Whenever you want to see some movie after the 5 p.m., what you will do, you will simply search out some Google or some intelligent search engine. Okay, your liking is suppose in action movie, you will type some action movie plus nearby your location. What you will get, you will get some desired result in the form of location of nearby multiplex, your movie name and show timing, and some redirection link of your this book my show or Paytm or whatever it may be. This much of information will be there in present scenario 2.5. But another side, if you search from your search engine, okay, I have the time after 5, what should I do? You are totally confused. So definitely I'm sure you will not get the desired output by this one. But in case of this Web 3.0, your artificial intelligence will be introduced. Please listen my word carefully. Your artificial intelligence will be introduced and and whenever you search your search, because your search is changing, your demand is changing, need is changing. So whenever you will ask from the search engine, you will google your search ke I have the time after 5, it will beautifully reply ki your as per your data behavior pattern or your behavior pattern, and as per your data pattern, you are very much fond of the Italian dinner or nearby your place in Noida or the RDC Ghaziabad. We have I have searched out one Italian restaurant. If you want, I can book the table also. And after that, you can from 8 p.m. or whatever it may be, you can go to the nearby casino also, because your liking is for the casino also. And if you want, I can book the ticket also. And if you put the yes or if you agree with this one, automatically tickets and all these things will be arranged by the Google, this search engine. That means some intelligence will be fitted inside the Web 3.0. Okay, another thing is blockchain will be there. Entire thing will be blockchain. Entire thing will be over the blockchain. Okay, entire thing will be blockchain. These are not only the two factors for the evolution of Web 3.0. Thousands of factors will be there, but these two are the major one. Okay, these two are the major one. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear? Okay. Now I am asking what next? What next will be there? Better it is up to 3.0. It is okay.
Web 4.0 sir.
हाँ 4.0 में क्या होगा?
IoT. Completely all things will be on internet. IoT.
Definitely,
All
Internet
things
of
will
Things
be
will be
able.
in a matured stage. Okay, Internet of Things will be in a matured state because it is introduced from Web 2.5. But it will be in a completely matured state, and further, you will be living in the completely matured state of cyber physical system. And another thing is, we will move from triple W to 4W. That is the World Wide Wireless Web. Okay, it will be a wireless web. Okay, no wireline will be there in case of web 2 by web 4.0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, next is
Sir,
web 5.0. What you will find inside web 5.0?
human emotions.
Feelings in robot and cobot.
At present the difference is basically, suppose I have taken the one beautiful example. Suppose you apply for the leave in present scenario, and suppose you replace your boss with the robot. Robot is designed to perform some certain defined task. Okay, what it will see? It will see depending upon your data pattern, it is habitual to take the leave regularly. So Mahinder ji, depending upon your behavior pattern, you are a sincere one. You are a sincere one. So definitely robot will allow. But if you are not sincere one or depending upon your pattern, so simply rejection will be there. And but your urgency is very much essential about this one whenever you are taking this one. So suppose you are trying to convince your higher authority, okay, no sir, my work urgency is very much essential as compared to your assigned work. So in case of humans, feelings are there, but in case of machines, feelings are missing. So we will be held up in that case, in case of web 4.0. In case of web 5.0, your human like feelings will be there. Okay, and these things you will find inside case, in this case humans feelings you will find inside web 5.0. So these will be there in case of web 5.0, from web 1.0 to web 5.0. So far these five versions have been evolved, and further I am telling repeatedly, these are not going to be happen in a day 1 or 2 years or 10 years. Some decades will be taken from just from one version to another version, and the target for web 5.0 is 2050 to 2070. Any question? Anybody want to ask a question?
No, sir.
So this is the web 1.0. 1.0 was informative, 2.0 was collaborated, 3.0 was the semantic, 4.0 for the purposive. Neha, can you assign one word for web 5.0?
Sir, human emotions in machine.
नहीं वो तो ठीक है. One certain task. If I'm saying a web 1.0 is, here is a one purposive word are there, set word is there. If I'm saying 1.0, it is very much clear, yes, only information will be there. 2.0 definitely both way communication will be there, database communication will be there. Web 3.0 more emphasis will be given to the transparency and the semantic. Web 4.0 will fulfill some purpose basically. That means we are going to move from triple W to 4W. What about the 5.0?
Sir, it may be comprehensive.
It may be comprehensive. Yes, you can say. Basically, technically, one word is there, that is the powerful. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Okay, one word is assigned for this one web. This one, that is the powerful. So this is the era 1994 to 2000. We have 1.0, 2000 to 2010 2.0. Then we entered towards the web 3.0. Then 2020 to 2030 web 4.0 will be there, but don't go about much in detail about these figures, because due to this pandemic situation, these things are going to be, this targeted date will be changed. Okay, so don't go about that one. That I will I have already taken in depth. So these type of things are there. Your entire internet is categorized into the web of content, web of communication, web of context, web of things, and web of thoughts. Okay, if you say the web of thoughts, okay, it is about the 2020. Okay, about the 2020, what you will have, you have the five sensor immersion, audio video implant, digital aura, direct brain link will be there. Okay, we have, after 2020 we have entered inside this one. We will enter inside this one. Artificial brain will be there, human technology convergence will be there, your collective intelligence will be there. And between the 2012 and 20, what we are having, we have the smart personal assistant, we have the immediate translation, always on internet, we have the wearable technology. If I'm saying कि wearable technology is there, what comes into your mind? Is it a new one? Is it a new one? अनुराग जी, अगर मैं आपसे कहूँ I have the health this one Fitbit, okay, Fitbit clock, so what comes into your mind? Is it a new one?
No, sir.
No,
Though the
because,
technology
No,
is
sir.
old,
Yes, sir.
है ना,
Sir, it has become quite old. Yes, sir.
हाँ, quite old means ये 2020 से पहले हो चुका. Okay,
Yes, sir.
है ना, और
Yes.
quite old का मतलब है 2012 के बाद आया है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि
जी,
1993
जी,
में था, है ना. तो
जी, जी.
अभी जैसे रमेश जी ने, शायद रमेश जी की वॉइस थी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रिकॉग्नाइज प्रॉपर्ली, सो रमेश
yes,
जी
sir,
ने
it
कहा
was
कि
me.
इट इज
It was me.
ओके सर. सर
Though it started early, but latest features are being added on every day. And
हाँ सर, that definitely technologies are going to be mature, but definitely thing is like that कि after 2012 things comes into the existence, and इस समय क्या technology इतनी fast moving है, and further technology always demand what next के confidence में जो आपने बोला ना कि बहुत पुराना है, तो वो इसी का reply है, technology always demand what next. Whenever you learn something, whenever you experience something, it already expires. That means your need is fast changing. Okay, you require in each and every moment what next, some new thing you want to accept basically. So this is also a part of business intelligence or business analytics. In 2008 to 2012, your smart search, virtual shopping, and this smart advertising, your जैसे इंटरनेट शॉपिंग है आपकी, ये पहले नहीं थी सर. ओके, ये आपकी इंट्रोड्यूस है 2008 से 2012 के बीच. आज डेफिनेटली इट इज इन ए मैच्योर्ड स्टेज. Okay, after that 2000 to 2008, this Wikipedia, blogs, these comes into the existence. 1993 mein catalog, form, search, mail, form, pictures, text was there. I think so. Basically, categorized into the three categories: entertainment, communication, and business. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Very
fine.
much clear, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now further, first few questions are there, sir. Few questions are there. What is industry? Industry क्या है, sir? What do you mean about the industry? Anurag ji, are you hearing me?
Yes, sir. I'm getting you.
What is industry? If somebody asks you to define the industry in few words, what you will say? What is industry?
Sir, it is a set of machinery to achieve some specific task.
Okay. Okay.
That
Now,
is an
okay, very good.
industry.
Now,
Yes.
my next question is definitely I will try to ask something from you. Okay, what is factory?
Yes,
What
yes,
is
sir.
the difference between the factory? Definitely you have defined in a very well manner and very beautiful words, but another confusing is if industry is this one, so what basically a factory is?
Sir, a factory may be producing individual components for the use of industry. it may be input for an industry.
Definitely, very good. You are touching the basically point about this one. Meenakshi, are you hearing me?
Yes,
Meenakshi?
sir.
Meenakshi, what
Yes,
is
sir.
industry?
Industry, sir, we can say that, sir, industry is used to. Hello?
I'm getting
Yes,
your
sir.
voice.
So industry can be used to produce things like software, or we can say that virtual things can be.
Okay.
In,
Okay, fine, very fine. You have replied, but I will ask regularly a question from you so that you will be
no
attended.
problem, sir.
Otherwise, you will skip the sessions. Okay, I will not permit you to skip the
No, sir.
session. So that's why I will ask you regularly. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
three. Neha, can you add something inside the definition of industry?
Sir, industry is a group of companies and factories which are working in an area for the economic development of the company or for the
Definitely.
economic development of the country.
Exactly what you have told, basically it is a perfect one. And now I am adding the three things. Okay, now I am adding the three things. See, sir, whenever you are going to learn about the industry, three things will come into the picture. First one is the sector, another one is industry, another one is the factory. Can you order these terms in ascending order?
Sir, factory is a basic thing. After that, it comes industry and further sector.
Okay.
Sector and then industry.
Okay. Anuragi, is it okay?
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, first of all, the sector will be there.
Definitely, very
Then,
beautiful. Then?
yes, sir. Then will come then factory, and then sir industry.
नहीं यहाँ पे गलत कर दिया सर
No,
आपने
sir.
यहाँ पे sector, then industry, and then this one factories will be there, sir. This is the correct order.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, sector will be there.
Okay,
Sector
sir.
is huge. Okay, there is a huge sector
Right,
will
sir.
be there. Then industry
Okay,
will
sir.
be there. Okay, industry will be
Okay,
there.
okay.
And then your factories will be there. Factory
Yes,
is
sir. Correct,
just like a labor, sir. Just like a labor who will
Yes,
execute
sir.
the
Yes,
task.
sir.
Okay, you are the
Yes,
manager.
sir.
You are
Yes,
the
sir.
manager,
Right.
and suppose you are developing something. You are manufacturing something. Who will develop? Definitely, machines will produce some product, but there should be some manpower
Correct,
for that one. That is the labor in terms of labor. So just like that, in your in industry and sector is the virtual thing basically, or some managerial thing type of things will be there, and in case of sectors and
Correct.
the industry. But actual manufacturing, where you will find actual production will be, you will find in the factories. Okay, in the factories. And we can
Correct.
take the example of this sugar industry, sir. Okay, so sugar will come under the industry or sector?
Sir, it is a industry.
It is a
Industry,
sector,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Sector, sir.
Okay, it is a sector basically. Okay, inside that there will be so many type of industries will be there. Okay,
Yes,
like air, it can be a sugar manufacturing. Okay, it can be like a good manufacturing, or it can be your glucose manufacturing. It can be, it is related to the pharmaceutical also, for medicine or some other parts. Okay, after that factories will be there. Factories will be there. In a particular factory, sugar manufacturing is there. In one particular factory, glucose manufacturing is there. In another factory, your medicines going to be this one will be produced, or some other things will also be there, like your vinegar also. Okay, vinegar is also a part of sugar in sugar sector. Are you agree with this one or not?
Yes. Yes, sir.
And vinegar is also part of
Fully
this
agree.
one. So it is a sector. Sector is divided into industry. Suppose vinegar industry is there. Okay, so inside that huge number of factories will be there. Anybody ask? Anybody asking something?
Sector is just like service sector and production or manufacturing sector. So in production or manufacturing sector, different type of industry are there.
Definitely,
I
sir.
think.
You can classify like that also, sir. You can classify,
So
but
in
in terms of industry, basically, what I want to deliver, basically, I want to relate it with the industry. Okay, I want to relate it with the industry and factory. That's why I am taking this example. I have taken this example. If one type of sector will be there, inside that categorization of industries will be there. I have taken the example of sugar. Okay, in case of sugar, I have taken this one. It can be a
production industry.
vinegar industry also. It can be your sugar grains also, or it can be another also. And after that, it is further related to the this one factories. Okay, inside factories, it will be manufactured. Is that clear?
Right. Yes, sir.
Neha, it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. An industry is a group of companies that are related based upon their primary business activities. In modern economies, there are dozens of industry classifications which are typically grouped into the larger categories that are sectors. Is that clear? Am I making sense? Sector, industry, and then factories.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is like that. This is like that. And further, sir, my question is that definitely you will see some this one. You will find it is something hypothetical. Okay, sir. Suppose cycle industry is there. Okay, hello. Are you getting my voice, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
suppose vehicle sector is there. Inside the vehicle, your cycle industry is there. Manufacturing of cycle is there. It may be possible. In one factory, your entire cycle will not be assembled. In some factories, your tire manufacturing is there. Inside some factories, some body assembling will be there. Inside another factory, some seat will be manufactured. So like that, it is there. It is there. This point is clear up to this, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now my question is, Anurag sir, from you, I want to manufacture mask. Okay, I want to manufacture mask in this cycle industry or cycle factory. Okay, I want to
Okay.
basically manufacture in this cycle factory, basically, that used to manufacture the cycle or produce the cycle. So is it possible, sir? Can I? In very beginning, it may be some hypothetical, basically. I'm sure you are feeling what basically I am asking, but is it possible, sir?
Sir, nothing is impossible. We may have to do a lot of transformation in machinery only. Manpower is with us. Simple setup in machinery is required only.
But
We
is
may
it
do it.
sir, my basic thing is it possible or not, sir?
Possible, sir.
Yes, sir. Possible.
Possible, sir. Sir,
अरे very
seat
beautifully,
covers
बड़ा
are manufactured in cycle industry
confidence
only.
बड़ा confidence से आपने बोला. So in the very early phase, basically it seems hypothetical, but जो एक अनुराग सर ने एक वर्ड यूज किया था, एक प्रोसेस और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वर्ड यूज किया था. Am I okay,
Yes,
sir?
sir.
This one you have used the word
Yes.
transformation,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and
Surely.
this is nothing but industry 4.0, sir.
Okay, sir.
Am I making sense, sir?
Ji. Ji.
So I hope
Somewhat
you have got
reconnecting.
you I hope you have got the idea about this one. A lot of question arises up to this one, कि sir, what basically industry 4.0
Yes, sir.
what will be things we will find industry in 4.0. So this thing you will find inside the industry 4.0. This is the search of possibility. So you just remember this example, कि in cycle factory, okay, that used to manufacture the cycle or some part of the cycle or the vehicle. You suppose if it is necessary in COVID-19 situation also, it may be necessary that you require some more number of PPEs or this one mask, basically some sector basically held up, है ना. जैसे फार्मास्यूटिकल सेक्टर का काम है
Yes,
ये
sir.
मैन्युफैक्चर मास्क करना और ये पीपीई वगैरह का, सपोज एग्जॉस्ट हो जाता, so it may take the help of another sector also. So this type of possibility is the industry 4.0. This is the possibility of industry 4.0. This up to this it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neha, any doubt?
Yes. Clear, sir.
Okay, fine. how an industry works. Similar business and grouped into the industries based on the primary product produced or sold, creating industry groups that can be used to isolate businesses from those who participate in different activities. So what is factory? Factory I have already made clear. कि actual manufacturing process will be produced inside the factory, not in the industry or the sector. A lot of confusion arises. कि industry, in the case of industry, if it is a sugar industry is there, तो sugar produce होगी उसके अंदर. No, it is not like that. Actual production will be inside the factories. Okay, actual production you will find in the inside the factories. And this one, it is a process, and designing part will be there in case of industries. Basically we are grouping the factories inside the sectors. Okay, inside the sectors or in the form of industries. अनुराग जी आप तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से familiar होंगे about this one. Kanpur is the city of the industry.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Surely.
So
Yes,
but
sir.
but basically a factory is a factory manufacturing plant or the production plant is an industrial site. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको चीज क्लियर हो गई होगी, ये इंडस्ट्रियल साइट है एक. ओके, फैक्ट्री को मैंने बोला इंडस्ट्रियल साइट. यहाँ पे यूजुअली कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ बिल्डिंग्स एंड मशीनरी और मोर कॉमनली अ कॉम्प्लेक्स हैविंग सेवरल बिल्डिंग्स वेयर वर्कर्स मैन्युफैक्चर गुड्स और ऑपरेट मशीन्स प्रोसेसिंग वन प्रोडक्ट इनटू अनदर. So I am sharing one video. I am sharing one video. Just go through about that.
No voice, no voice. Video is a bit staggering, and voice is at all not there.
Video in slow motion. Not focusing. What is this?
Now you are getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
clear,
yes.
sir.
You are getting my voice?
Yes, sir. We
Yes,
are
sir.
getting you.
Okay. So have you enjoyed this video?
Yes, sir. Fully.
What is the learning of that this video? That definitely funny video was there, but a lot of message was hidden inside that video. आप बताएंगे अनुराग सर क्या क्या था इस वीडियो में?
Sir, regarding industries
Hmm.
and factories,
Hmm.
it was basically video of a factory manufacturing and interaction of humans with the machinery
Very much,
was being
sir.
displayed.
Because very much involvement of human intervention is needed in earlier days, basically. That's why I have taken this one. के कितना tough process था? How much tough process was there to manufacture something, sir? Is that clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Anna,
Clear.
Neha, are you agree with this one?
Yes, sir. There was a lot of interaction of human with the machines. Without
Ha,
human interaction,
a
machine
lot
will
of
not be
human
able to.
power. Okay, manpower is required, and a lot of human attention is also needed. Okay, especially in the case of earlier days, it was the era of pre-IT basically. ये IT का भी era नहीं था, ये pre-IT era था. ये pre-IT era था, and we have in case of IT basically this effort somehow it reduces. Okay, somehow it reduces. But again, we are entering in the smart manufacturing process, so we want to reduce, okay, as much as we can reduce the lot of human interaction or human intervention with the machines. Machines should be completely automated, and a lot of this one human intervention or human interaction should be reduced. Okay, this is the target inside the industry 4.0. Up to this it is clear. Any doubt in today's topic, in today's discussion?
No,
No, sir.
sir.
So it's already 10:15. I think we can wind up the things. Okay, we can wind up the things. So Neha, can you quickly recap the things that I have discussed?
Yes, sir. Uh, yes, sir. Sir, today we started with the Industry 4.0.
Hmm.
And sir, before starting Industry 4.0, we discussed the cyber world, and we discussed uh, basically we discussed in bits and pieces IoT, then SON, self organizing networks and its characteristics we discussed. Then after that, we discussed SDN in a brief. That SDN has three planes: the application plane, the control plane, and the switching plane or the data plane. And then we started with AI. So in AI, we have seen 7 features of AI, like artificial intelligence, cybernetics, problem solving, deep learning, machine learning, robotics, and neural networks. And then we have seen the digital explosion, in which it was said that by 2025 the data usage is going to be tenfold. It is of the order of 153 zettabytes, but this figure may change due to COVID-19. And then we again discussed different versions of web 1.0 to 2.0, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0. So in that we came to know that web 1.0 was informative, web 2.0 was collaborative, 3.0 was semantic, 4.0 was persuasive, and 5.0 was powerful.
Good.
And then we discussed the definition of industry and how sector, industry, and factories are different. So in that we came to know that sector is the is a bigger entity, and industry is inside the sector, and within the industry is the factory.
Definitely.
So,
And we have seen
then
the human intervention and human earlier days factory video also. A lot of human interaction or intervention is required in case of early days factory. Okay, these type of things we have seen, so we will explore the things more in tomorrow's class. So please be interactive with me. Anybody joined today? Anybody joined today? If anybody joined today, please share your WhatsApp, sorry, your HR number and details with me over the WhatsApp. Okay, my number is 9412000810. Okay, and if you desire, I can add you in the learning group also, and slowly we will learn the things. Okay, and we will try to explore the things. Only thing is, you please be interactive in the WhatsApp group also. I will share the assignment, today's assignment, in WhatsApp group also. Okay, in the WhatsApp group also. And please be interactive with me, and please share your feedback, true feedback, in all WhatsApp group and the Telegram also. I think all of you are connected with the Telegram training center Telegram group also. So please share your true feedback. Okay, not the manipulated.
Sir, I know.
Okay, true feedback in the all the groups, so that I can be motivated. And whenever you have any doubt, please ask in every way. You can ask me through the WhatsApp also, you can directly call to me, and in the class also you can be interactive. Okay, so
Sir,
and I will
sir.
huh.
Truly speaking, sir, I know words to give feedback to you, sir.
Huh,
Because
sir.
it's just such an interesting